Hi there, my name is Marcy the Bees. My family stay in Bukit Timah 6th Avenue. The owner understands that we are very important to the environment, but they cannot keep us. So they engage Xavier, the beeman from Nutritionist. At first, we are worried that we may get destroyed, but realize that Xavier is very gentle to us and tuck us in a box. So we quickly gather all into the box and try to get ready. The helper realized that we are not going to attack her and she gets so close to us to take some video. My family decide to pose nicely for her before we go. After the photo shooting sessions, Xavier closed the box and getting ready to bring us to his garden. Thank you for saving us and giving us a new place.